Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install DBeaver 24.3, that is the latest version on Windows 10 or 11. Then we will connect PostgreSQL and MySQL from DBeaver. The process is same on Windows servers as well. First go to DBeaver official website and download. DBeaver.io is the official website. See, it is the universal database tool. DBeaver Community is a free cross-platform database tool for developers, database administrators, analysts, and everyone working with data. It supports all popular SQL databases like MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache Family, and more. Okay, and see here we have two types of versions: DBeaver Community and DBeaver Pro. DBeaver Community is free and it is open source version. This is the commercial version. For this DBeaver Pro, we have to pay. For DBeaver Community, no need to pay. So click on download. See here the version is 24.3.5. For Windows we have to click on this Windows installer. For Debian type operating systems we have to download Debian package. RHL or Fedora we have to download this RPM package. So we are going to install on Windows, so click on Windows installer. Once we click done, download starts automatically. Wait a moment. See, download started. See here its size is 121 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now click on this DBeaver CE. C means Communication 24.3.5 setup exe file. Click on it. Click on next. Select I agree, that is the license agreement. See, choose users. If you want for all users, select all users. Then click on next. Click on next. Agree. See here, by default it has selected DBeaver Community and include Java. If you want to reset settings, select it. If you want associate SQL files and associate SQL data files, you have to select these checkboxes. I am going to select all, then click on next. See, this will be the destination, that is installation location. If you want to change some other location, select browse and select the path. I am okay with this default one, so click on next. See, this will be the name in the start menu folder. Okay, if you don't want to create shortcut menus, you have to select this checkbox. So unselect it and click on install. See, installation has been started. If you want to create desktop shortcut, you have to select the checkbox and click on finish. I don't want, so click on finish. See, installation has been completed. Go to start, then all applications, go to the folder DBeaver. See here DBeaver Community, expand it. See here we have the DBeaver. If you want to uninstall, you have to click on this one. So click on DBeaver, cancel this one. See here the version 24.3.5. You want to verify the version, click on about. See, we have installed DBeaver version 24.3.5. Click on this plus button to connect to a database. So I have installed PostgreSQL and MySQL on this PC. So I am going to show you how to connect to PostgreSQL. Click on this new database connection. Then select the PostgreSQL. Then click on next. Then here we have to provide the host database information, port number, okay, and username. Then we have to provide the password here. If you want to show all databases, we have to select. Otherwise, if you don't select, it will show only this database, whatever is provided here. Then click on text connection. Successfully connected. Then click on finish. See here we have the connection. Expand databases. See here we have the database. If you want to connect this database, right click and SQL editor. Then open SQL console. Now we can run the queries. Okay. Now we will see how to connect to MySQL. In the same way, click on this new connection. Then click on MySQL. Then click on next. Here also we have to provide the port number. MySQL port number is 3306. Then provide the database name. Then provide the password of the root account or any user which is there in MySQL server. Then we have to click on text connection and we have to finish. This is the way to connect to MySQL. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install DBeaver on Windows operating systems. Then we have connected to PostgreSQL. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.